Hello students, in my last video you could see the cast rule. So today I am going to teach you the use of cast rule to solve the trigonometric ratios. So question number 1, if you say solve and theta is greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 180 degree. So I'll take a question number A. Root 2 sine theta equals to 1. So this question is asked in SE examination for 2 marks in our optional mathematics. So for this particular question, what do we see? Here a ratio is here sine theta. So first of all we have to get sine theta equals to something. So what we see, sine theta has got root 2. So this root 2 is in multiple form. Root 2 is in multiply with sine theta. We'll send this root 2 to other side. Then it becomes divide 1 upon root 2. So what do we see here? Sine theta equals to 1 upon root 2. So this value is positive. So for this, now we have to remember cast. C-A-S-T. A for all positive, S for sin and cosec positive, T for tan and cot positive, C for cos and sec positive. This is our 180 minus theta. This is our 180 plus theta, and this is 360 minus theta. And in special case, we have to learn this as 360 plus theta also. So while solving now, we need to remember only these things: 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, and 360 minus theta. For particular question, 360 plus theta is also used. So if you see this, sine theta equals to 1 by root 2. So sine is positive. Sine is positive in which quadrant? This is our first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So clearly, sine is positive in first and second quadrant. So sine is positive in first and second quadrant. So obviously we will find this value in sine first and second quadrant. So if you see sine theta equals to 1 by root 2. So sine theta is 1 by root 2 if it is sine 45 degree, because sine 45 degree is equals to 1 by 2. So this is represents our first quadrant, and second quadrant is 180 minus theta. That is why this becomes, moreover it becomes sine 180 minus 45 degree. So what do we see here? Sine theta equals to sine 45 degree, comma sine 180 minus 45 is 125 degree. So if you take this either sine theta equals to sine 45 degree, therefore theta equals to 45 degree. Sine and sine matched, but we are not allowed to cancel this, so theta becomes 45 degree. Or sine theta equals to sine 125 degree, therefore theta equals to 125 degree. So finally our answer becomes theta equals to 45 degree or 135 degree. This is our final answer. So I hope you have understood this sum. Now moving to next sum. Here the sign was positive, so we found sign, the value of sign when it was positive. Now I am going to show you the second example where we have to find the value of sign where it is, or cos where it is negative. So for taking second example, number B, 2 cos theta plus 1 equals to 0, or 2 cos theta equals to, it is plus 1 here, if you take to other side it becomes minus 1, or cos theta equals to, now 2 is in multiple, so if you take to other side it becomes 1 by 2. Now clearly what we see here, it is negative. So if the value comes negative, then we have to obtain the values where the particular ratio is negative. So right now it is cos, and cos is positive in first and fourth quadrant, so it is negative in second and third quadrant, isn't it? So we have to write here cos is negative in second and third quadrant. So cos theta is equals to minus 1 by 2. So cos theta equals to minus, and cos 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree, but still I don't have minus sign. Or now this will be replaced by minus cos 60 degree means 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus 60 degree, comma cos 180 minus, and the third quadrant becomes plus 60 degree. So see here, cos is negative in second and third quadrant, that is why this was cos 60 degree. So minus cos 60 degree becomes positive cos 180 minus 60 in second quadrant, and cos 180 plus 60 in third quadrant. So that is why, or cos theta equals to cos 120 degree, comma cos 180 plus 60 is 240 degree. So from here, therefore we can write theta equals to 120 degree or 240 degree. So but the range of theta is greater than equals to 0 degree and less than equals to 180 degree. Therefore our angle theta becomes only 120 degree for this. Because of this particular criteria, our theta becomes only 120 degree. So what we see here, cos has come negative, so we have to obtain the value where it is negative. Cos is negative in second and third quadrant. Second quadrant means 180 minus theta, and third quadrant means 180 plus theta. So we wrote cos 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree, then we have converted it in second quadrant, that is 180 minus 60, and the third quadrant 180 plus 60. So 180 minus 60 is 120, 180 plus 60 is 240. So theta becomes 120 degree or 240 degree. But the range of theta for this particular question is theta is greater than equals to 0 degree and less than equals to 180 degree. That is why this 120 degree is valid here. So these are the two questions. And in my next video I shall provide you more few questions and which will complete our topic, that is solve of trigonometric ratios. Thank you.